we're generating a lot of data about cancer cells, about biology and metabolism in general. The DNA sequencing data is quite a large amount of data that has to be processed and analyzed. All of the sensing data that we'll start putting into the world, really tracking our lives. We don't get cancer, just spontaneously. It's a process where we're either born with a mutation and it shows up early, or the way we live our lives corrupts, tends to produce corrupted cells. So I think in general, just this flow of data and the way we track our lives is really going to create an early warning system. It's going to give us a much better understanding of what it is to be human, and the code base for that, and ultimately be able to produce new treatments faster and cheaper and more specifically than we ever could before. Cancer, to me, is where the real fun is, because viruses are super specific as to which cells they like to infect and run. And cancer, they just have broken hard drives. You know what it's like. The blue screen of death, the computer's not working all that well. That's basically cancer. All we got to do is go kill them. And this is what viruses do. They love to just attack cells and destroy them. And groups have been making viruses that hunt down cancer cells for years, but they're using the old business model. They still want to make billions of dollars. I think we're going to start seeing cancer-specific viruses pop up in the next few years, designed open source, funded open source, and crowdsourced. So I think we'll start slow and we'll learn and we'll keep it all open and transparent, and I think we'll end up making more progress in cancer over the next few years than we've had over the last few decades.